Now that fall is around the corner, a lot of people like to make wreaths and put wreaths on your door. And sometimes we change them from fall to maybe even Halloween to then Christmas time and New Year's, and coming into the beginning of the new season, we like to change our wreaths and put them up. And as gardeners, we're always growing a variety of flowers. Your everlasting flowers can be used to make a variety of beautiful wreaths and just dried decoration, dried flower and floral arrangements. So you wonder, what is an everlasting flower? Well, there are hundreds of varieties. So you'll have to do your research on that to see if you have any. But an everlasting flower or a plant is one that when dried, it retains its form as well as its color. These are roses that I have dried, and I've dried them and they're still in their color. They were a deep purple rose. The key to a beautiful wreath or floral dried arrangement is to pick or cut the flowers when they are at the stage that you want them to be once dried. And I wanted these to stay and be in their beautiful purple color. So that's when I dried them. As you can see, these flowers were not completely dead. That's when I pulled them, and that's when I dried them. And that's what you want to do. Make sure you pick them, or if they're already picked, sometimes you can do this with arrangements that you may receive as a gift, or someone gives you flowers. Dry them at the stage that you want them to be at once they are completely dry. I'm Pam, this is Zone 8A, and anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant.